Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that based token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, based is a super app that allows you to trade spot and perpetual futures on hyperliquid as well as access over hundreds of prediction markets. You can also spend your portfolio at over 70 million merchants worldwide across 160 countries through their base cards. Base token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 235 million base token. Base token will list on Binance Alpha Exchange on 30 March 2026. So if I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.